Student, today we are going to learn the examples related to the partnership. So here is our first example. Suresh and Ramesh together invested 1,44,000 rupees in the ratio 4:5 and bought a plot of land. After some years, they sold it at a profit of 20%. Then what is the profit each of them got? Now here we will first find the total profit. Find the total profit on the rupees 1,44,000. So here we return total profit is equal to 1,44,000 into 20% means 20 upon 100. So here this 20 get cancelled with these 2 zeros. What remain here? Here remains 1,440 into 20. Now we take the multiplication of 1,440 into 20. We get the answer. Total profit is equal to this 20 we written here this type. So 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 2 1s are 2 means 28,800 rupees. It is the total profit on 20%. So next step they are given here. The profit must also be shared in same proportion. Now that proportion is 4:5. Now we will find the profit percentage of each of them. Supposing here, let Suresh profit and Ramesh profit will be 4x and 5x respectively. 4x and 5x respectively. Then we got 4x plus 5x is equal to total profit. What is the total profit here? Total profit is 28,800 rupees. Now here this 4x and 5x become 9x is equal to 28,800 rupees. Now we have to find the value of x. So x remains as it is this side. This 9 is going to divide here. So 28,800 upon 9. When we divide this number by this means 28,800 by 9, then we get the answer as 9 3s are 27. From this 1 is remain and this become 18. 9 2s are 18 and this 0 means 3,200 rupees. So value of x is equal to 3,200 of rupees. Then we will find the Suresh profits. So Suresh profit is equal to what we supposing here 4x means 4 into the value of x is equal to 3,200 rupees. So this is equal to 1,800 rupees means 400, 400, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12 means 12,800 rupees. Now next we will find the Ramesh profit here. Ramesh profit is equal to 5x means 5 into 3,200 rupees. Now we multiply 5 0 0 5 into 0 0 5 2s are 10 means 0 and 1 is carried over. 5 3s are 15 and that 1 is becomes 16. So 16,000. So profit of Suresh is 12,800 rupees and profit of Ramesh is equal to 16,000. Example, A and B shared a profit of rupees 24,500 in the proportion 3:7. Each of them gave 2% of his profit share to a soldiers' welfare fund. What was the actual amount of given to the fund by each of them. We have to find this. Means from the 24,500 rupees, the proportion of share to give the profit is 3:5, and after that profit percentage, 2% amount it given by soldiers welfare fund. So we have to find the actual amount of the profit. So here proportion of their capitals as well as of their profit is here given is 3:7. So is equal to 3:7. So let the profit of A and B will be 3x and 7x respectively. 3x and 7x respectively. So here 3x plus 7x is equal to total profit. 3x plus 7 is equal to total profit. So total profit is given. What is the total profit? It is 24,500 rupees. It is 24,500 rupees. It is mentioned here 24,500 rupees. So we are putting here 3x plus 7x is equal to 24,500 rupees. Now this becomes 10x. 3x plus 7x is equal to 10x, and it's become 24,500 rupees as it is. So x is equal to 24,500 rupees upon 10 means x is equal to 2,450 rupees. This is the value of x. This is the value of x here. So we will find the A's profit. A's profit is equal to, what is the proportion of A's profit is 3x, means 3 into x value is 2,450. So if we multiply this 0 by 3, then we get the 0. Then 3 5s are 15. 1 is carried over. 3 4s are 12 and 1 is 13. 1 is again carried over. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. So the profit of A is 7,350 rupees. Then B's profit. B's profit is 7 into 2,450 rupees. So here 7 0 0. 7 5s are 35. 3 is carried over. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 31. 1 is here, 3 is carried over. 7 2s are 14 plus 3. It's become 17. So profit of B is equal to 17,150 rupees. Now the second condition is given here to find the soldiers welfare fund amount. So for soldiers welfare fund, given by A is equal to total profit into 2%, means 7,350 into 2% means 2 upon 100. So this 0 cancel with this 0. We will take the multiplication of these two numbers. This become 5 2s are 10. 1 is carried over. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. And 7 2s are 14. 1,470 upon 10 means 147 rupees. And B's share is equal to 70,150 rupees into 2 upon 100. So again this 0 cancel with this 1 0. So we will take the multiplication of these two numbers. Then we will get the answer 5 2s are 10. 1 is carried over. 2 1s are 2 and 1 is equal to 3. Then 2 4s are 14 and 1 is carried over. 2 1s are 2 and 1 is equal to 3. So upon 10 it is equal to 343 rupees. So A gave 147 rupees and B gave 343 rupees to Soldiers Welfare Fund.